This gorgeous and ready to be in your driveway 2006 GMC Yukon XL is powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. The tires on this Yukon look to be just about brand new, so they have many more miles left to be traveled on them. The exterior is in amazing shape for its age, and it does feature tinted windows and a roof rack for extra storage. In the back hatch, you can see that it does have 3 rows of bench seating, but even with that 3rd row, it has lots of cargo space and a pull-out cargo cover should you need it. We also have towing capabilities in the back. With the 4-wheel drive and towing capabilities, this is a perfect adventure vehicle for your family. You can see there is 2 bench seats. Step up with the help of the fixed running boards into the cabin and you're going to find power windows and power door locks, easy 4-wheel drive controls, steering wheel mounted controls, a CD and navigation system, and so much more. So if you're looking for that large capacity SUV that's perfect for you, well, this GMC Yukon might just be right. So come see us at the Edmark Superstore where we get you the best price.